Walking down the hill from up there along this edge. Looks like we got a spike in front of us. It's warm today, guys. It's like 55 stinking degrees again. Got some weird weather here this year. But that's another spiker. Oh, cool one, a little bladed up. Yeah, finding spikes is fun too, but always more fun to find them big ones for some reason. So we're gonna keep walking and maybe pick up some more. Coming up this big old hillside here. Got one in front of us. Deer sign all over this thing. Looking antler. Oh, looks like the sun's already starting to get to it, but maybe not. Nope. Just typical backside antler. Been laying there for a couple days though, at least. Tips are all completely soaked with water. Sweet. We're gonna keep on wandering around this good weather because I'm sure it's gonna end up getting cold on us again here before too long.